Hey friends, in this video I'm checking out the Slingtvbox. It's an Express 4K S5 Max smart media player. So you can play your, I think put like Netflix on here and things like that. All right, very small and sleek design. We got a DC in, LAN, and HDMI port with the power. Little things there so you can hang it on the wall, or little stuff so it doesn't move around. Okay, we got a Cat 5 cable. It's like a pretty sweet remote here. USB-C to USB-A. That's for the power, I guess. A user's manual, and then HDMI cable. Okay, so let's check this thing out here, shall we? Okay, so it comes with this little disclosure. Thank you for choosing Slingtvbox. It's an empty and open entertainment device. Due to the nature of this item, we are not in any way responsible for the content streamed or viewed by any user. All applications are available either through a variety of app stores or available through the internet. It's users' responsibility to satisfy themselves that either they or their site's access for streaming the content have the correct copyright agreements in place or entitled to this content. The burden of determining this falls completely on you, the user. Slingtvbox in no way takes ownership. Okay, so here's the main menu here, and let's see, we can turn the volume up and down. I like that. This TV actually doesn't have a remote, so it's cool that you can adjust the volume with the remote here. We have live TV, video on demand, customer service, browser here. Let's check out the browser. So this is basically just like an Android device. You can put whatever you want on here, play it. Okay, search stuff on Google. You got apps that we have. We got an app store, so apps has all the things that we have on here. Check out like YouTube. Okay, we can just go to my channel here. Go around, so. Okay, pretty good quality there, guys. So excellent quality. We do have a little mouse button on the remote too, so if you want to change it to a mouse, so enter mouse mode, and then basically we have that little icon in there, and we can just drag it around by pushing up and down or holding up and down on the thing. So there we go. Move that up, stuff like that. Okay, and we can, I think, click it again and exit the mouse mode. Okay, so we can just go back to home here. So that's pretty sweet, pretty responsive on that. Also, doesn't seem to be lagging at all, so that's cool. But yeah, so it's got a ton of stuff on here. Excuse me, if you guys are familiar with Kodi and things like that. This is basically a nice like Android streaming device, and you can put whatever apps and everything on there, and you are responsible for those. I recommend only watching stuff that you have subscriptions for, but this thing, through Kodi, you can add Netflix if you have that account, or Prime TV and things like that. So if you have those subscriptions, pretty cool device here. Seems pretty responsive, does a good job. All right, friends, so all in all, the remote is super responsive, does a good job. You have to have line of sight though. Yeah, if you want to watch, I couldn't find a way to like add other apps than the other ones that are already on there. You can go through Kodi and stuff like that, but if you didn't want to watch Netflix and stuff, you could just go to the Google browser, type that in, and watch it off of there. So that's pretty sweet. Anyways, my friends, if you want looking for a nice like 4K streaming box, this one does a good job of like having the videos that you want available. Seems to be decent as far as just being able to play quality videos and things like that. So, all right, my friends, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Remember, you are responsible for what you watch, so just be careful out there. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.